Hello everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about calendars in OneDrive. As you can see, I'm already in my OneDrive account. It's right there. We're going to click the waffle on the corner here. We're going to pick calendar. It's going to take me to my calendar. Okay, it's going to show me all the things I've got going on in my calendar. This little thing here with the checks is my to-do list. Now I need to add something to my to-do list. So you can either go to this one right here, and it's going to take you, and you can add it. But I just don't like swapping, so I'm going to go back to my calendar. And I'm going to hit a little check mark right up here. It says my day. I've got add a new task. So we're going to have legal brief. I'm going to add. And I want to put that on my calendar. So I'm going to do that next Friday. And the infographic here that I have to do next week, I'm just going to drag and pull it to next Thursday. Okay, that is how you add a task. Let's go back here and I'm going to show you how to add some calendars. You can add a calendar. You can edit your calendars from here, blank, subscribe from the web, schools, holidays. So we're going to create a blank one. This is for my boss, and his name is Robin Banks. And then you can choose a color, what you would like Robin to look like on your calendar. We're going to go with dark blue. If you hit the drop down, I don't have a choice. I have to add it to my calendars. I'm going to hit save. Okay, now Robin Banks created. Now we go here. Also, if you can see in the darkened area, I already have United States holidays. And I have German holidays. Why is that important? The distinction. So you know, especially if you're working, have relationships with a company abroad, knowing their holidays is important, as they may be closed. But say we wanted to add more holidays. Say we also do with the UK. We can hit United Kingdom, and that will add them right there. Now we want to change the color. So we're going to go down here and we're going to change them to red. Sometimes it takes a while for this to upload. Let's click them on. And it doesn't. And sometimes it freezes, and I don't know why. But if we hit United States holidays, we can see that St. Patrick's Day is here. And then we have Easter Day, Tax Day, and Administrative Professionals Day. Who knew? We hit the German holidays, and it's going to show Good Friday, Easter Monday. And they have Labor Day, which luckily is Saturday in May. Like I said, sometimes when you add, let's go, they have Good Friday. I'm pretty sure they have more than that, but see, St. Patrick's Day, Northern Ireland. And then we can add our calendars back in. For whatever, I don't know why that does that sometimes, but there you go. Now you can also add holidays. I have a couple of holidays in here for Josh and Joyce. But to add a holiday, we hit new birthday. And then obviously if you have a contact, you can just add their birthday and create. Or you can put in their first, last name, their birthday, and create, and they will show up on your calendar. Let's see. So let's do Mike Johnson. Well, his name's Johnson now. And his birthday is on March 25th. We can create. We give it a second. There's Mike. We click that off. We're going to click that off. For whatever reason, it won't get me rid of the United Kingdom. Okay, now we're going to click off my calendar. And we're going to add some events for Robin because he has nothing to do. Let's click on the 15th. Going to add a new event. Hit new event. And it shows up. There are other ways to do this. Left click once. Shows you a little one. Left click twice. You get a big one. So we have Angus Smith is coming into the office. And she has an appointment at 9 o'clock. This will automatically default to 9:30, which you can change. So if she wants an hour, we can put in an hour. If she wants an hour and a half. And say it's an hour and 15. You can just highlight this and put 15. And then it will change it to 15. But actually, we just want half an hour with Agnes, rather. And you do have the option to repeat. But we're never going to repeat this one. And we're just going to put some notes in. So she's Angus Smith. She's a sales rep. From small home appliances. And then you hit save. That is how you add an event. I'm going to be back in just a second. Okay, we've added some dates for Robin's calendar, some appointments. Now, if you would like to edit an appointment, you can just click on it. And it shows you his sales rep. And you can just hit edit. And then you can edit whatever. Say he calls you and says he needs to change the time. You can change the time right there. But I'm going to show you another little trick. Say Pete calls and says, hey, I won't be able to make it till 12. You can actually go into, let's click that, the day. And we can just grab Pete and move him down to 12. We're going to put him back up to 10. And that will change this calendar and your last calendar. Now, while I'm here, we've got the day, which is Tuesday. Now we can add my calendar. And this is a combined view. But we can have a split view. There we go. So we can see them side by side or combined. Now you can do this for your work week, combined view right there, or a split view. You can have the week. The week will show Saturday and Sunday. And again, you can have a combined view. For the month, you will always get a combined view. Okay. And one other thing, well, there's a couple of other things I would like to show you. We're going to share a calendar. We're going to share my calendar. We're going to share it with Taylor. And that's a lowercase t. Now, when we get to this point, have you noticed that Taylor has a Gmail account? She will only be able to view this if she has Office 365 with her Gmail attached to it, or if she has an Outlook, or if she has Outlook with the Gmail attached to it. And here, she can view all the details, or she can edit. Be careful, because if you hit can edit, they can go in and change your calendar. You know, if you are a personal assistant to your boss, you know, you probably need to edit his, but we're going to just send it, can view all details. And then we're going to hit share. And that's how you share a calendar. One other thing that I would like to show you. This won't work on this one. But it will show me on my personal account. So I'm going to show you this. I like hockey. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to hit the schedule, which is already on. You want to look for this. The iCal Outlook download. You're going to click on that. It's going to download. Give it a second. Okay, I'm going to open the file. And it's going to ask you to add it to this calendar. Obviously, this one isn't connected to my Gmail account, so it's going to go in my Outlook account, and you're going to hit add calendar. I already did this before to make sure it worked, so here it is again. All the dates there for the Spokane Chiefs. And that, folks, is it. Thank you. Have a good day.